There are three types of major disagreements of a bill when the bill is sought to introduce or passed in the parliament. Let's see them one by one. One house passed the bill, but other house rejected the bill. So, for example, if Lok Sabha passes the bill, but the same bill is rejected by the Rajya Sabha, there we find a disagreement. That's disagreement number one. Let's see the disagreement number two. One house passes the bill, other house also passed their bill with amendment, but the amendments are not accepted by the first house. Say Lok Sabha introduced a bill in the house, passed the bill. Now it is transferred to the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha also passed the same bill, but with some amendments. Now Lok Sabha doesn't want to pass the same bill with the amendment made by the Rajya Sabha. So there comes up another disagreement. That is disagreement number two. Let's see the third disagreement. 6 months has lapsed from the date of receipt of the bill and the other house has not passed that bill. Say Lok Sabha passed the bill, now it is sent to the Rajya Sabha, but the Rajya Sabha doesn't approve it or doesn't discuss or doesn't pass that bill, and it is late or kept secret for 6 months. Then there is a disagreement. So when this type of disagreement is happened or is there in the parliament while passing a bill, then we call this disagreement simply as deadlocked. And when there is a deadlock in the parliament regarding the bill, then under article number 108, the President of India will summon the parliament for a joint session. And while we were discussing about the different types of bill, we have already known that joint sessions are favored only for ordinary bill and financial bill. And in a joint session, if the bill is to be passed, then the bill will be passed in a simple majority. That is, total more than half of the total member present and voting. Now again there comes a beautiful question: who is going to be the presiding officers in joint session? The presiding officers in the joint session can be the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, or when the Speaker is absent, it will be presided over by the Deputy Speaker. When both of them are absent, the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha will preside the joint session. So that is all about disagreement, or in technical manner, that is all about the deadlock of a bill in the parliament, or the condition of the deadlock under which joint session of the parliament can be summoned by the president under article number 108. That's all.